Now, how do you keep the screen on in the iPad? Let's talk about it, but before we get started, most definitely subscribe to Foxtecc because you don't want to miss tutorials like this one. And now, if your iPad just keeps on dimming, there are a few things you can do. First of all, go to settings and then check out the display and brightness section in the left panel. Upon scrolling down a bit more, we have the auto lock feature, which is most likely the reason why your iPad screen doesn't stay on. So if you have it set to 2 minutes, after a set period of time, the screen will go black. So you can bump it up to 5, 10, or even 15 minutes. Personally, I wouldn't set it to the never option, even though you have the ability to do so. So it would just mean that your iPad will not ever go black and the screen will be on as long as the battery lasts. So I'm not a big fan of that, so I usually just go with the 15 minutes. So that is one thing. Keep in mind, however, that when your iPad's battery is just being, used, your battery percentage is going down. Well, once you reach 20%, your iPad will ask you if you want to turn on the low power mode, which is a mode to save and preserve battery life. And while this is turned on, it interferes with this auto lock feature, meaning that while the low power mode is on, these things are ineffective. So it doesn't matter that you have it set to 15 minutes. While saving the battery, it will just make the screen go off a lot quicker. So just make sure you don't have the battery saving or, the low power mode turned on, because it could interfere with your other settings. But that would be about it for me. Let me know what you think about that below. Let me know if you managed to do what you needed. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials.